We have one question from the chapter Trigonometric Function, class 11. In this question, we have to prove that cos phi over 1 minus sin phi is equal to tan pi by 4 plus phi by 2. Now, for this, we are going to apply these three identities. Now, first, we'll be applying this identity, this portion of the identity, that is cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So if I apply identity over here, what we are going to get? We can write cos phi as cos square phi by 2 minus sin square phi by 2. Now, below you can see that this is 1 minus sin phi. So applying this identity, we can say that 1 minus sin 2a is cos a minus sin a whole square. So that's what we are going to do. We can write this as cos, like this is, as you can see, 2a becomes a, so phi will become phi by 2. Phi by 2 minus sine phi by 2, the whole square. Now in the numerator, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So this is a plus b. This is phi multiplied by a minus b, that is a minus b. We keep the denominator as it is, which is here cos phi by 2 plus, well, that's minus sine phi by 2, the whole square. Now we can reduce it. As I can see that this is same here, so I can reduce it. That is cos phi by 2 minus sine phi by 2, and there is a square time, so I reduced it. Now you can check here that we need the RHS in the form of tan. And we can see that if I divide the numerator and denominator of this portion by cos, we should get tan. So that's what I'm going to do here, that I'm dividing each by cos phi by 2. So dividing this by cos phi by 2, clearly it is cos by cos phi by 2, and dividing this by cos phi by 2, that will give you 1 here. Dividing this by cos phi by 2 is tan phi by 2. Same here, dividing this by cos phi by 2, we'll get again 1. And there is a minus, this minus, and dividing this by cos phi by 2, we'll get tan phi by 2. Now, we can see that we got this in terms of tan, but we'll again be applying this identity in order to obtain pi by 2. Now, what I'm going to do here is I can write this one as tan pi by 4 plus I'm copying this tan phi by 2 as it is. That divided by, as you can see, we are using this identity where we need 1 in the denominator. So this 1, we will keep it, this 1. Minus 1 is a multiplicative identity. So I can place an additional 1 in multiplication and replacing this 1 with tan pi by 4, and that multiplied by tan phi by 2. Now you can check here that we got this in the form of tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B, that is equal to tan A plus B. That means I can write this as this is equal to tan A plus B, where A is pi by 4 and plus B is phi by 2. We can say this is equal to the RHS.